Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cream roll in factory. We'll start by looking at the initial dough preparation, which is crucial for the roll's texture. Then, we'll move on to the precise shaping and baking process, ensuring each roll achieves that perfect golden crispness. Finally, we'll cover the essential cooling phase before any delicious cream is added. The journey begins with carefully mixing high-quality flour with water and other key ingredients in large industrial mixers. This dough is then kneaded for approximately 15 minutes, developing the perfect elasticity and texture. Next, the dough is rolled into thin sheets and precisely cut into strips, typically about 1.5 inches wide, ready for the next stage of shaping. Once the dough strips are ready, they are expertly wrapped around conical molds, creating the signature hollow shape. These rolls then enter industrial ovens, baking at precise 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 12 minutes until they are golden brown and perfectly crisp. After baking, the rolls are carefully removed from their molds and allowed to cool completely for at least 30 minutes. With the rolls perfectly cooled, the final and most delicious step is adding the cream. Sweet, creamy filling is piped into each hollow roll using automated machinery, ensuring consistent distribution. Finally, the filled cream rolls are carefully packaged into boxes, typically containing 6 or 12 rolls, ready for distribution to stores. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to Little Tree's Black Ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.